So the Buhler KSU Executive Milling Course held here at the IGK Institute at Kansas State University was a great opportunity for people new to the milling industry or people in the milling industry that are not connected to the day-to-day operations of flour mills to get an insight into what goes on in the flour milling industry. It covered topics all the way from wheat receiving through flour loadout and flour blending, and they got hands-on opportunity in the Hal Ross flour mill to see a milling operation up close and understand what goes on a day-to-day basis.